Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Jenny's Jumble Journal. Today we're going to talk about cooking. As one famous comedian here in the Philippines used to say, if you don't cook, you don't eat. If you don't eat, you die. What is the worst thing about cooking? It's the prep time, right? I mean, all the slicing and chopping and dicing, that alone will make you want to not cook and just order in, right? One of the most used ingredients in the world is garlic. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make some garlic paste. Garlic paste, 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 garlic paste. Having garlic paste in the fridge is gonna save you so much time. So let's get down to the ingredients. What we have here is 500 grams or half a kilo of peeled garlic. Now, if you don't like peeling garlic like me, you know, there are some markets that sell garlic peeled already, or if you have a helper or some really nice people at home with you, you can just sit down and peel garlic while you're watching your favorite series or a Marvel movie. God, I miss Marvel. Enough with this COVID already. Marvel! Next, you need 1 cup of butter, garlic butter sauce. It goes so well with seafood. You also need 1 cup of oil. You can use any oil. I prefer either olive oil or you can use avocado oil. You're also gonna need 2 tablespoons of salt. I have here Himalayan salt, but you can use ordinary rock salt. It doesn't matter. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, a spatula, and you need a container. You can use any container, but I prefer glass. One more thing you need for this is a blender. All right, let's start. First, you're gonna put in your garlic. Oops. After you put all your garlic in the blender, you're gonna add 1 cup of oil. Now we're adding some butter. You don't need to put everything right now, okay? You can just add a little at a time. Don't forget your cover. You don't want all this garlic butter everywhere. So cover, and it's time to pulse. Because we're gonna pulse, we're not gonna blend, okay? That way, we're gonna have like little pulps of garlic with butter. Oh my God, that's gonna be so good. If it doesn't want to go around like that, it's okay. Just take the cover off and mix it around with your spatula. It just needs a little help. We all do sometimes, okay? There is nothing bad about asking for help. I really don't like it when people are too embarrassed to ask for help. Seriously, I ask for help all the time. Doesn't mean I'm not awesome. Ask for help if you need it. All right, let's try again. This is like the nth time that I've opened the blender to mix. You gotta be patient. It's gonna be worth it. I promise, it's worth it. Now I'm gonna put all my butter in. And then again, you're going to pulse. That's my mom. She has her earphones in and she's like singing. Now that you've mixed your garlic, butter, and oil together, and you have the consistency that you like, of course, common sense, it has to be like a paste. I mean, it is garlic paste. All right, so once you achieve that, you're gonna add in 1 tablespoon turmeric, and then 2 tablespoons rock salt or Himalayan salt. The turmeric and salt are gonna be serving as your preservatives. You can choose not to add turmeric and salt, but if you don't, then you can only keep your garlic paste in the fridge for like around 2 weeks, and if you keep it in the freezer, up to a month, okay? Past that, it's not gonna spoil, but it's not gonna taste as good, all right? So that's why I prefer to add turmeric and Himalayan salt, so that I can keep it in the fridge for up to 6 months, and probably use it all up in a month anyway, or less. I mean, this is not a lot. Anyway, so we have our turmeric and rock salt in, and we're gonna blend one more time to blend that in together and preserve our garlic paste. Before I continue blending, I want to show you guys how good this looks. Check that out. Look at that color, right? The garlic and butter and your Himalayan salt and your turmeric powder. Oh my God, that looks so yummy. I've got the consistency that I want. So you can see that's really creamy. And imagine putting this in your fried rice or on top of some toast. Oh my God. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. But it's time to bottle it up. I just got a bottle of coffee that we finished, and I'm gonna use that to put my garlic paste in, okay? Look at what we were able to make out of all that. I mean, this bottle is full to the brim. To the brim. This is a lot of garlic butter. God, that's a lot of yummy food. And now we eat. You guys have got to smell this. I mean, like, it smells so good. Now let's try it. If you're not really a garlic lover, weirdo, this is strong stuff. Like, it's really buttery, garlicky. So if you're not used to a lot of garlic in your food, you might want to not put as much as I did on your food. Just a little. I'm telling you, the taste will already burst in your mouth. Like, wow, really good garlicky, buttery stuff. No need to put a lot. So delicious. If you don't know yet, garlic is really good for the health. It's good for your heart. It lowers cholesterol, sugar, and all that. I'm gonna pop some links down below so you guys can read up on how good garlic is for you. That way, you don't just enjoy your garlic, you know you're being healthy. You're welcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, guys.